Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little different. I've been getting a lot of questions about the white Jeep in my driveway, so I thought that I would show you guys what's going on with it and talk about it. So I was browsing Facebook Marketplace, looking at Jeeps as I always do, and I came across this beast. This is a 90 or a 91 XJ with a 4.0, four-wheel drive. It's already been lifted, it's got bigger tires on it, and for the price, I just had to go see it. So me and my son took off with my truck and trailer, went and bought it. I had a 98 F-150 with a 5.4 Triton. It's one of the first videos I ever did was fixing the spark plug holes, because when I pulled out of that guy's driveway, it blew a spark plug out of the hole, and I had to call my dad. He came and hitched up to the trailer with the Jeep, and we waited for AAA for 4 or 5 hours for them to come get my truck. Very long night. And now I have this Jeep, and I just haven't had time to work on it. I do a little bit here and there, but let me show you what was going on with this. As you can see, this thing is pretty stripped. It's way more together now than when I got it, because I have been working on it very slowly. The reason why it was all tore apart, the guy was chasing an overheating problem, and he decided he was just going to tear apart the whole engine and start from the bottom up and go through it all and try and fix it. And while he was pulling things apart, he noticed some rust, like you can see in this battery tray here. But not only that, he noticed some rust right at the base of the windshield there. Now, I know it doesn't look like a whole lot of rust. There's also some rust on the inside, but nothing that goes absolutely through. Now, you guys in the Rust Belt, that little bit of rust, you're looking at it and you're going, oh my God, that's not rust at all. But here in the desert in California, that is a phenomenal amount of rust. It is crazy for something out here in the desert to actually rust that much. So since he was finding rust, he decided he was going to completely strip it, take it somewhere, and have all the rust removed and have all the body work done. And now I'm left with this. Almost all the parts for this thing are inside it. Hey, Khaleesi, relax. Almost all the parts for this thing are inside it. He had it completely stripped. He was going to get it all taken care of, and then he just decided that it wasn't worth his time and effort and money to have all of that work done somewhere. Honestly, the more I work on this thing, the less I want to work on it. I'm just finding problem after problem after problem. And it's not necessarily a problem. It's just, it's not what I was expecting with this Jeep. And it's really making me wonder if I should just part it out or fix it up. I don't know. Now, when I saw it, I honestly thought I could just slap it all back together and make a quick buck. And then I ended up getting a new job and haven't really had the time to work on it. I've just been kind of working on it here and there. I finally moved it over to the center of my driveway so that I could really commit to working on it, and I just haven't had the time. But meanwhile, I have a garage full of parts and a shed full of parts, so I really think I should start working on this thing and get it going. Now, I figured if I decided I didn't want to put it all together, then hopefully I could just part it out and get my money back and maybe keep some parts for myself. I've been looking a lot at Jeep Comanches lately. It would be a great donor for a Jeep Comanche that's 2-wheel drive. I can convert it over. It's already lifted. And here I am still undecided, and it's probably just going to sit there. If you guys would like to follow along while I'm working on this project, make sure you say something down in the comments below. Go ahead and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. All of that good stuff. Anyway, hopefully this video turns out okay. I know it's short, but I just want to answer some of your guys' questions about the white Cherokee in my driveway. It just needs put back together. If you're interested in it, please let me know. Maybe we can work something out. It's all there, but it's not at the same time. Anyway, don't forget to check me out on Instagram at It's Project Venture, as well as the Tickety Talk at It's Project Venture. Thanks for watching.